In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enter and exit safe mode on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. So what you want to do is access the power off menu. So one of the ways to do that is by swiping down to notifications and then swipe down again for quick settings. In your quick settings panel, look for the power off button and just tap on it. Next, you'll be brought to the power off menu, and what you want to do is long press on this button labeled power off. So long press on it, and then the option reboot to safe mode should appear. So it will ask you if you want to reboot into safe mode. This will disable all third-party apps you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So because you want to enter safe mode, tap on OK and then wait for your phone to restart. Now as it's restarting, it will be disabling any third-party apps, and it will allow you to troubleshoot any problems that you originally had. So the logo will appear, then just wait for it to restart. And then you should notice, before you even log into your phone, that the label safe mode has appeared. So when you go to unlock, because you've technically restarted your device, you'll have to enter with a lock screen pin, not your fingerprint or your Face ID, a lock screen pin. So enter in your pin. And then as you can see, the apps I downloaded, such as Spotify, Wattpad, and WhatsApp, have been disabled. So I've basically been taken back to the original screen I had before installing any apps. So any system apps haven't been disabled, so you can troubleshoot any problems from here easily without having to delete all of these apps. And once you've finished with your troubleshoot and you're happy with how your phone is working now, what you want to do to exit safe mode is to just access the power off menu again and then tap on restart. So wait for your phone to restart, and as it's restarting, your phone will now enable all those apps it disabled. So for example, Spotify, Wattpad, and WhatsApp will no longer be grayed out. They'll bring back their usual vibrant colors. So just wait for your device to restart, and then enter in your pin, lock screen pin, and you'll notice the third-party apps have no longer been grayed out. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.